In this video, I'm going to be cooking a dry aged steak, and I'll also be making a smoked chimichurri to go with it. Now we're going to get started by getting some lump charcoal going. So we'll open our barbecue up and take our cooking grate off. Then I'll get a fire lighter down on our charcoal grate and light it up. Then I'll get our charcoal chimney on top. Then we'll get enough lump charcoal in there to fill one charcoal basket. And now while our charcoal's catching light, we'll start our chimichurri and prepare our steak. So in a glass jar, we're going to go in with around half a cup of chopped flat leaf parsley, 3 cloves of finely chopped garlic, half a red chilli which has been de-seeded and chopped, the juice of half a lemon, a splash of red wine vinegar, and around half a cup of good quality olive oil. Then add a pinch of salt and pepper, have a taste and adjust it to your liking. And once you've got a small piece of charcoal ready, add it to your jar of chimichurri, get the lid on, flip it around a few times, and then we're going to leave it until our steak is ready. Alright, now for our steak, we are going to be using a beautiful 40-day dry aged rump steak. I've picked this one up from my local Drake supermarkets, and all we really need to do is take it out, give it a light trim if it even needs it, and then give it a salt. Now the results from the dry aging process, you're going to be left with a much more flavorful and tender steak. So if you're a steak lover and you can find some dry aged steak and it's within your budget, definitely try and get hold of some. But now our steak seasoned and our charcoal's ready, we're going to dump our charcoal into a charcoal basket, get our cooking grate on, and then start grilling our steak. And all I'm going to do for this cook is flip our steak every 60 seconds whilst keeping it moving around until we reach an internal temperature of around 48 degrees Celsius or about 118 degrees Fahrenheit. And by following that process, we're going to get a nice even cook. So what we're going to do now is just get it out and let it rest for 5 minutes before we come back to slice and serve it. Then while our steak's resting, we're going to get the piece of charcoal out of our chimichurri, then we'll give it another mix, and now that's ready to go. Now if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next videos. But let's have a taste.